The Bond was started about 50 years ago by my parents. They started selling haberdashery. I joined the company back in 2005. We've seen spectacular growth, especially over the past 5 years. We have bought a consumer brand and we have adapted an online-only strategy. Our biggest challenge at the time was to increase the efficiency in the warehouse. That was the reason that we were looking further into warehouse automation. Basically saying for every 10% workforce we would add, we would only yield 5% extra output.
During the pandemic, there were two challenges that we faced that were most important to us. One was the increase in order load by 150%. And the second one was that I wanted to decrease the number of manual errors made by picking the orders.
We chose Van der Lande for our warehouse automation for the reason that they were remarkably quick in understanding our needs. They only needed the better part of 2 months from looking at the first data set to coming to an offer which I could sign. I particularly liked the all-inclusive character of their solution. It was from A to Z, the whole process was being looked at, and Van der Lande was, for the Bond, a complete system integrator.
During the installation of the system, we had a few things that really stood out at Van der Lande. Really great project management and also keeping up to date with communication. We were kept up to speed with everything we wanted to know.
The Van der Lande solution has helped our business objective by further improving the working conditions and making the physical work lighter. The adapter system has made a very positive impact on our business. For example, it is hugely adaptable for peak times during different times of the day, and also for future projected growth it is highly scalable.
Now that the system is up and running, everything in the process is running more smooth and more efficient, so that we are able to keep up with the rise in demand. Van der Lande has added value to the professionalism of our organization by the reliability of our order fulfillment and the uniformity of the boxes we ship. My team benefits from the workstation by using the height adjustable functionality as well as the simplicity of the screen that they're working with.
The feedback that I've had from my fellow colleagues at the Bond within the logistic department is that they enjoy the physical lighter work and enjoy their working place because it is the best working place they can possibly wish for. And I've also understood that they enjoy the increased variation in work. I consider Van der Lande to be a very trustworthy partner because they have always kept their promises, and my expectations is that they will be a partner for the at least next 25 years, which is outlasting my time frame within the ROI by a fair way.
Our partnership with Van der Lande is helping us future-proof our business because we have taken our first step in automation and we are leaving the competition behind.
Van der Lande, moving your business forward.